hold the front page. Warren Buffett, the oracle who once dubbed Bitcoin rat poison, is now riding the crypto wave to profits. Join us as we explore this surprising pivot and ask what's really going on in Buffett's investment portfolio. Despite his notorious criticism of Bitcoin, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is seeing substantial gains from its stake in New Holdings, a Brazilian fintech powerhouse deeply embedded in the crypto market. New Holdings is almost the gateway drug to the crypto world. In 2022, they launched New Crypto, a trading platform that's been getting a huge amount of new users. And guess what? Berkshire Hathaway is reaping the rewards. New Holdings has skyrocketed, and their stock prices have surged nearly 50% in 2024 alone. And remember, this is the same Buffett who once said, "What would I do with Bitcoin? It isn't going to do anything." Well, apparently, it's now making him richer. Berkshire Hathaway initially invested $500 million in New Holdings, followed by another $250 million. But wait, wasn't Buffett the guy who compared Bitcoin to rat poison? Buffett's skepticism of cryptocurrencies clashes with his company's profitable move. It's like he's saying, "I don't believe in this stuff, but hey, let's make some money off it anyway." Fast forward to 2024, Bitcoin is moonwalking past major indices, leaving them in the dust. And with the halving recently gone, the chances are high that this will only continue. Will Buffett's investment strategy shift? And is he secretly binge-watching crypto tutorials at night? This may be the beginning of a new chapter in his storied investment career. And he's probably thinking, maybe I should have bought that Bitcoin after all. Keep an eye on Buffett. He might just surprise us all. And remember, even the Oracle of Omaha can't resist a little crypto magic. As the lines between traditional and digital assets blur, Warren Buffett's foray into crypto via New Holdings presents a compelling narrative of adaptation and profit. What's next for Berkshire Hathaway in the crypto space? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.